Welcome back. We're still working with dynamic blocks, and in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the Array option. Let's begin on the Home tab. We'll insert a rectangle. Let's place the first corner with a left click, and for the other corner, right-click and select Dimensions. Enter 10 by 5. Enter. And let's left-click to place the rectangle. Now let's place a circle in the middle of the rectangle. Hold down the Shift key and right-click. Scroll up to mid between 2 points. Here's the first point, and there's the second point. Radius, let's say 1.5 units. Press Enter. Now let's convert our geometry to a block. New block, select Objects, select the rectangle and the circle. Right-click to finish the selection. Let's pick a base point now. Snap to this point, and let's give our block a name. We'll give it a super descriptive and accurate name. I'll call it Block 01. And click OK. All right, let's edit our block. Click Edit Block, select it from the drop-down menu, click OK. And here we are in the block editor. First, let's go to the Parameters tab, select the linear parameter, and choose our points. Snap to this point and this point. Place the label about here. Let's go to the Actions tab now. Activate the Stretch action. Select the parameter Distance 1. Let's window select the corners to stretch and select the rectangle with a left click. Right click to finish the selection. Now let's select the Array action. Select the same parameter, Distance 1. I'm going to select the circle, right click to finish the selection. Now we're prompted for the distance between the columns. Let's enter a value of 10 units. Press Enter. Okay, we are ready to click Test Block. Let me just pan the block a little bit to the left so I can stretch it out towards the right. Select the block. Grab the handle and stretch it out. And here is the array. The block works as we expected. Let's exit the testing environment and close the block editor, saving our work. And let's check out how it works. This concludes our tutorial about using arrays in the dynamic block environment.